Today is the 40th day of the quarantine, and look what I found up in the attic. It's an old Swiss knife. It says on the blade, Wenger Delmont, Switzerland. It's an old Swiss knife. I googled it, and I believe that this model predates Victorinox's acquisition of the Wenger company. What I want to do now is to clean this Swiss knife and see if each and every tool in it is still usable. This Swiss knife is probably at least 13 to 15 years old or older. The first thing that I have to do is to use tissue to wipe off the dirt. Let's start with the basic, that is using a tissue to wipe off the dirt and some brushing. The grimes accumulated over years won't easily come off. They are actually stuck on the blades. So what I want you to do now is to soak this Swiss knife on hot water. Look at what is happening. The grease, grimes, muck, they are coming off the blade. And the water is turning brown. So let us see if the tweezers and the toothpick are still there. There it is. And the tweezers, ew, look at that. I think that's enough. The hot water has loosened the dirt accumulated in the tool. So it says on the blade, Wenger Delmont, Switzerland, stainless, and there is an umbrella icon. I am not even sure if that is an umbrella icon. All I want to do is to clean this Swiss knife and see if I can restore it in its full glory and probably use it. Let's see the scissors. They are still working. It's amazing that there is no sign of rusting. Here comes the most difficult part of the cleaning, the internal section of the Swiss knife. So you need to use cotton buds. Since the cotton buds are too big, I will now be using a precision screwdriver and tissue. It fits perfectly. Look at that dirt. It feels so satisfying and yucky at the same time. After lots of swiping with tissue, this side is clean. So let's go to the other side. I suddenly developed this urge to know who was the owner of this Swiss knife. Look at this accumulation of dirt and grime over years. That person must have been to so many places with this tool, and he or she had used this for so many times, right? The next step is to wash it with water and dishwashing liquid. Use an old toothbrush to get rid of the remaining dirt. See that? It's looking pretty sleek now. I have been cleaning this Swiss knife for more than 14 minutes now, but I have yet to see any sign of rusting, breakage, or damage. So the last part of the cleaning process is the application of WD-40. Saturate the area to be treated and allow it to soak. Do not wipe off the product. After some time, here is the Wenger Swiss Knife.